In this tutorial, you'll learn how to favorite embellishments, backgrounds, and photos for easier access to them while working on your family history project. Begin by opening your project and selecting a page to open the Edit window. To favorite a photo, go to either the Ancestry tab or the Photos tab on the left-hand side, and scroll your mouse over the photo that you'd like to favorite. Click the heart outline in the left-hand corner of the image. The heart will turn solid white, which means it has been favorited. This item has been added to the Favorite tab on the left-hand toolbar. It will be in the Photos section. To favorite an embellishment or a background, follow the same steps. This will add your most used images for quick and easy access while building your project. These items will also appear in the Favorite tab under the Embellishments and Background sections. To remove a favorite, simply click on the heart again, and it will be removed from the Favorites tab.